The trickiest part is this my personal style? Am I doing this because someone told me they liked it and I was influenced by that? And I think you kind of have to shut your computer or turn off your phone and also not really care as much what other people think about it, as long as it makes you happy. And it's taken me years to really develop my personal style, I think. And now I'm really happy with a traditional, little bit more modern, lots of pattern play, and just overall really comfortable family living has always been really important to us. We have 3 daughters, and we're really focused on family-friendly design. And a lot of times people think that is, there might be toys everywhere. Everything's covered in little bumpers.
Plastic and bright colors.
And I think that family-friendly design is design that's really casual and approachable to everyone that's within the home. Our 3 girls, they're 11, 6, and 3. And we want them to feel as comfortable in this house as we feel as comfortable in this house. And for us, that might mean the way it looks, or the way it feels, or the way it smells. And for them, it means like, I don't have to be like, oh, you can't touch that, you can't touch that, you can't touch that. And that's just something that we have been developing for the past decade.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that now it's to a place where, kid-friendly, like Chris said, it doesn't have to mean like bright colors or plastic. It can just mean livable spaces. And so that's really, I think, where my style has led me, is just how can I make this livable and beautiful and a place where anyone can come and feel comfortable.